Hello, and thanks for taking time to watch a short video on a couple unique benefits that you have through your employer. I am Jamie with Identity Theft Consultants. We handle your legal and identity theft benefits. Hopefully you have one of these placemat brochures via email or in front of you. The first benefit I'm going to go over is in the bottom half of the benefit sheet here. It's the identity theft piece of it. In the lower right hand corner you can see your payroll deduction amounts that you have access to. But first thing, I don't really have to get into identity theft too much. I think we all know it's a massive problem. It's here to stay. It's not going away. We've seen a lot of stuff going on, especially with the pandemic going on. But the biggest difference, and you will see in the middle of the brochure there on the bottom, it's underlined in italics. It's full identity restoration. If you hear me say nothing else at all, this benefit is going to do a full restoration of your identity theft issue in the event you are hit by identity theft. So we cover credit issues. Somebody opens a credit card in your name, we're going to take care of it. Somebody drives in your name and creates havoc. Social Security Administration all of a sudden wants to come, find out what's going on, working, filing taxes in your name, medical issues, character criminal issues, and then of course minor children with minor identity theft. They have access to a full access to theirs because they shouldn't have a credit report. So we're going to do a full restoration. There's extensive monitoring. I always say it like this: you can monitor as much or as little information as you want. It's kind of your choice. You can put the information in to be monitored, or you don't have to. But the biggest difference that we're going to do is the restoration piece of it. It is a credit score tracker. Is your score going up? Is it going down? There's sex offender monitoring and so on and so forth. But it's a huge benefit to have access to be able to call somebody and get your identity restored in the event you are hit by identity theft. You can see individually, you just go across from the ID Shield individually per pay period, and then the family price is per pay period. And then that's your benefit. You can take it with you in the event that you retire or end up leaving your place of employment. And once you're locked in for life. We don't raise the rate to an existing member. We haven't. So huge peace of mind. Second benefit I want to go over is the legal plan. Having access to the legal system. I think we can all agree in these times, especially we all have questions in regards to legal. What can we do? What can't we do? What do we do with this mortgage forbearance? Just having access to be able to call an attorney and not get a bill in the mail. Unlimited. You can call your attorney on it. Doesn't matter how many different situations. You can have 5 different situations this week. You can call your attorney and get questions answered. You can have 10 different situations this week and call your attorney and not get a bill in the mail. Consultation unlimited. They'll also write letters, make phone calls on your behalf if they deem it's necessary and can better your outcome. How about having a document reviewed? I think we've all maybe tried when we're signing a document. What are we signing? What is it? What does this mean? What does that mean? How about this mortgage forbearance? What does that mean? Being able to call an attorney and really know what the fine print means. They always say, the bold print giveth, the fine print taketh away. You have access to call your attorney and get your questions answered and know what you are signing, what that legal document means. Access to all kinds of legal documents on their form site. You can, buying, selling, leasing, you have access. Again, they'll write letters and review 24/7 access for emergency situations. A big one, will, a healthcare directive, and a power of attorney for you and your spouse. You can have access to a law firm to get your will done, healthcare directive, and power of attorney. Work with an attorney, get that done for you and your spouse. The last love letter to your family. You get to decide, how you want to, if you want to live on respirators or not, and you get to decide who's going to be, take care of your money in the event that you're, not in full capacity. So you have that access. Huge value add right out of the gate. We want you to get that done immediately. So make sure you take the time and get that done. You're going to have the first couple years of this benefit paid for. There's motor vehicle assistance. It's not a get out of jail free card, but if you get a traffic violation, if it's defendable, they'll go to court for you. There's lawsuit and IRS audit protection. If you find yourself being sued or Uncle Sam wanting to make sure you pay enough, you have access. There's family coverage, just like the identity theft. Dependent kids up to the age of 26 are covered. It's a little different, but you have access. They have access whether they're going to college full-time across the U.S. or living at home. They can't be on their own and married. They have to be dependent upon you. There's a 25% discount on things that we can't protect you from. If you're out there doing reckless things, it's going to fall under a 25% discount. And they're going to let you know ahead of time if that's where it falls. So you can see on the Legal Shield, go across, individual family coverage is going to be the same. And then both plans you get at a really decent discount if you end up going on the family side of things. You're going to have access to a number, our office, to be able to call our office, get questions. You have access to a member perks, a discount program. So just use it. Your discounts on all sorts of stuff, cell phones, going out to eat, and going to the movies. Hopefully, if you are interested, make sure you get an enrollment form from your HR director, or you can call our office. I'll put that form up on the screen as well, and our phone number to call our Tara in our office, and she can also get you the forms and or email this stuff over as well. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to protecting you and your family.